Let's go. Listen, I was so hyped to finally get this jacket. Once Drake and Oliver, shout out to the OVO squad, they finally dropped the red sunset NOCTA Drake Nike collab jacket. Tell me this ain't fire. This supposed to be friends and family. Well, guess what? I guess I'm part of the friends and family of OVO because I got the jacket. Somebody, ask somebody, do they have this jacket? I'm probably the only person in New York with this jacket on right now. First and foremost, look at that nice little check. It's clear. It's like a silver. You got the Nike details on the, you can't see it right now. Hold up. This is just the intro. This is just the intro in the words of Lil Wayne. Hold up. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. We have hot shit sometimes. Real limited hot shit. So we'll get into the price. We'll get into everything. That was just a dramatic effect for the intro because I'm super hype. As you can see, this is first and foremost of how you guys could tell red is my favorite color. Because if this jacket was not red, I was not copping. Because if you know in the past, Drake dropped the yellow and black. I did not cop. And they dropped the Friends and Family baby blue, which that never dropped. Only person I know that has the baby blue jacket is Tristan Thompson, the NBA player. Because him and Drake is like this. So he got the baby blue. That's the only person I've seen with it. Now, I'm the only person with red. Only person I've seen with it is me and Drake. So, haha. Either way, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my music channel, follow me on Instagram, and that's it. If you have any questions or how you could get this jacket or whatever you want to say, I don't know. I read all comments, so leave a comment below, whatever you got to say. And, yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. So, off rip, like I was about to go crazy in the intro. This jacket is fire. I'm glad the sizing. Oh my God, I was so scared with the sizing. So, I'm going to try it on. I'm going to have a clip. I am going to take the hoodie off. Unfortunately, ladies, I got to take the hoodie off. I know it looks good with it red on red, but I'm going to take it off because I want to see how this fits. If I want to wear, like if it's a nice little spring cool day, if I just throw on this jacket with like a t-shirt under, I want to see how does it fit. Because right now it fits perfect, obviously. If you want to know, this is a size large. I was hoping like, damn, I hope the large isn't too big because my North Face, not the purple one that is a classic on this channel, but my black North Face is a XL, and that shit is big. No, my North Face is actually a large, and that's why I was scared because my North Face is a large, but that shit fits like a XL. This Drake jacket, Nike jacket, whatever, is a large, and it fits like, I would say a large, not too big. It fits perfect, slit, like body-wise, not too like, you know, even if the sleeves are good, perfect size, it doesn't fit tight or wide on the whole body. So this is a perfect sizing. So if you want to know about the sizing of rip, get true to size of what you like your jackets. That's first and foremost. So real quick before I get into all the details, here's the tag, the NOCTA Nike tag. So, yes, no matter where you got this jacket from, if you ordered it online when it did drop. So, first and foremost, I think it was like February 11th or February 9th. One of those 2 days, randomly, a Thursday night, they posted at midnight, 12 o'clock. Luckily, I subscribed to the mailing list. That was probably the only one time the mailing list really came into fruition as being a blessing from any company. Literally, I think it was 12 o'clock. I got the email. NOCTA website, they're dropping sunset jacket. I'm like, sunset? That's the red jacket. I clicked on it. They had a restock of the Loverboy Air Force Ones. Didn't care about that. And then they had this jacket. When I tell you guys, like, I'm really about supporting greatness because when I get to that position as Drake, I want people to support me like that. So you only got to show the love to the genuine people that really support you. And plus, they're like heroes to me. Like, people like Drake, Lil Wayne, people like all that shit is like heroes to me. You guys, it's more deeper than just the music, right? Like, I've seen Drake at concert many times. I've seen Lil Wayne at concert many times. And I'm always going to support them because they do so much music for my mental and my moods and my inspiration. But it's just deeper than the music. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I support it no matter what. So what I mean by that is this jacket dropped. I looked at the price. I think this is probably the most expensive one. I don't remember the yellow and the black being retail this expensive. So obviously, I'm thinking executive decision Oliver. If you don't know, obviously, Oliver from OVO is in control of the OVO stuff. So I'm guessing they made a mutual decision like, yo, you know what? I know we didn't drop the baby blue. Friends and families dropped the red, aka sunset one, because it's Valentine's Day. They dropped it, no announcement. Drake didn't even repost it. OVO page didn't post it. Literally, you have to go research. Either NOCTA posted it, and the new page that Drake has, Drake Related, they posted it. So I got it first through the email. I didn't have to check Instagram. I don't even follow those pages because, like, I don't need to follow them. I don't even follow Drake. It's just I know what they're doing because I was on their page anyways. But I clicked it. I was like, damn, what size do I get? Luckily, it fits perfect. So I chose a large, add to cart. I looked at the price. It was $400. I said, holy shit. I said, I have no bread on my debit card. So I had to use my credit card. $400. It was no tax, no shipping, nothing. Because with that high-ass price, I think the NOCTA website does free shipping after, like, $250 or something. So automatically free ship, no tax. So it's a size large. And what I was saying about the Canada thing is, like, it literally says Canada dollars. So if you want to see how much it came out to in Canada, it's CAD, Canada dollars, and it came out to $480. If you could tell. So $480 Canada dollars. It came out to us US dollars, $400. So they're $80 more, but technically it's not really $80 more. But that's the retail because obviously everything comes from Canada. So that's that cool little tag. I don't know if you can see the knock on there. You can. Okay. So that's that. I did be exaggeration with the box. Where did I just put it? What the hell? Oh yeah, so it comes in this big plastic. Obviously. Plastic and paper, all that stuff. But alright, let's get into the jacket. So like I already showed you the clear silver Nike logo. You have the Nike branded on the bands of the wrist when you whatever. I have to show you like that. But yeah, you can see the little bit glare of there, but it's on both. They have the Nike logo on there. You have the NOCTA upside down, which I don't know why it would be backwards to be on this right jack, like on this. On the camera shows left, but on me doing it is right. Like usually, if you want to spell a word out, it would be like it's spelled. Look, it's upside down. First off, NOCTA is upside down, and it feels like it's on the wrong sleeve. Like if you're gonna put it left, it would be on the left side. But I guess if a person is reading it, they can see it from their side. They're looking like, oh shit, it's on the right. I don't even care. It's whatever to me. This jacket to me, maybe it's not worth the price, but first of all, I don't have no NOCTA pieces. So this is if I'm gonna get one of anything, at least I get one, something that's fire. This is a fire jacket. So I don't care what no one's talking about. They do have one pocket in here. One thing I can say, reason why it's expensive is because this is not a streetwear. Nike did not drop a NOCTA collab with Drake, like branded, so it could be streetwear. This is not streetwear. This is like high-end gear because the jacket is like silver inside. You can see it a little bit, but this feels like like their own version of like Gore-Tex jackets. You get what I'm saying? Like North Face Gore-Tex is like winter time. There's no pockets on here because even in here, it's not your typical silk like a North Face per se. It's literally like made to keep you warm. Okay, so let's finally take this bad boy off. I swear, I could have filmed the other video with this, but I took it off for that video, then I put it right back on, but I was super gassed. I literally checked my email. It said it was delivered an hour before I went outside to get it. Luckily, my box was still there. So, I put it on right away. So, obviously, you have the tag right here. The NOCTA famous baby blue colorway tag, so you know your shit is legit. It's right there. It says also your size, if it does, yeah, large. So that's really, the other details is really in the back. You have the NOCTA logo as well with the thorns or whatever, the swords in silver right there. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but yeah, you can see it. And then they got the branding of the CL right there, and then you got the AWR. Mind you, I don't even know what these fucking words mean on the NOCTA shit, because I always see CL and AWR. Maybe it's like their own branding for something. I don't know. And then, of course, if you could tell, because it's blended in, you could tell if I hold it up, the big-ass Nike logo on the back. See it right there. What I do wish is that, I guess with this special collab, I wish they would have put the Nike logo in the back the same color as the front Nike patch, like the silver or white or whatever. Because then at least they'll throw in a little different color in the back. It's like being the color red on red, it's like you can't really see that shit. You know what I'm saying? But fuck it, $400. I'm gonna have to pay it back somehow. So if you want to keep supporting me, go buy some shoes. Just hit me up. Let me know what size you got. Let me know what size you want of sneakers, and I can sell you guys some sneakers to cover my $400 tab. So hit me up with your size, and I'll let you know what I have in your size, and I'll sell you some sneakers, and then I can get my $400 back to pay this off. And then, of course, the black tag right here says NOCTA. I don't know if you could tell, but on the tag it says NOCTA on the top. And on the bottom, if you flip it up, it's just a Nike logo. So I don't got to really show you. I'm just telling you what it has. But let me know if this is worth $400. Sometimes I'm about hype beast shit, so this is a hype beast purchase. But at the same time, like I said, it's Drake's collab. So, and it's my only one time I'm probably ever going to get a NOCTA jacket or item. So it's like, if I'm happy, then y'all should be happy. But let me know what you think about the jacket. You know, for hype beast, like, reasons, I think this is a good purchase. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. This video is already too long. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. I did say I would have another clip wearing it with no hoodie, but whatever, I could do that as the outro. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Go follow me on Instagram, support my other YouTube channel, my music channel, so go subscribe over there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.